Good afternoon, family. I hope everyone is having a great day so far. Not only that, I hope 2012 has been the best year ever for you and your family. Now look, Jelena and I are jacked out of our minds of what's going to go down in 2013. We expect it to be the best year ever. Now we are currently looking for some change agents to join us. I know you're probably asking yourself, what is a change agent? A change agent is simply someone that's tired of their current situation and they're looking for a way out of the rat race. And once they find it, they go out and share it with everybody else they know. Now, we made a decision 2 years ago that's changed the history of our family. And our kids and our grandkids would never have to worry about their financial situation. If anything I've said so far makes sense to you, you can inbox me, you can call me, text me, or you can go to our website, www.leeandjelena.com. That's www.leeandjelana.com and click on Opportunity. Let's win in 2013. And we're going to see you in one or two places, either at the top or from the top. Happy New Year, everybody.